Alright guys, we're back here again. We took out the bolts. We're going to remove the head. See the top of the pistons. See what they look like. Like I stated, there's been no sludge. This motor's been well maintained. Let's pull off the head. All the push rods are going to fall. Can you hold them for me, Pete? Oh, it's on there, guys. It's on there. This one. Get a pry ball. Those E7 heads, heavy as hell, heavy as hell. Let's give a look at the pistons, see how they look. How you doing, guys? We're working, trying to get it done. There we go. Get a ratchet, let's turn that motor, Pete. Let's see the bores, how they look. That's the ridge. Is there a ridge on it? No ridge there. No ridge there. No ridge here. No scratches. So far so good. Motor's looking good. So far so good. Like I said, it ran. It ran. So we're gonna see what happens. No problem with the head gaskets. They're looking good. So let's pull off the other head. We'll flip it over. We'll take one cap off the rod and main and we'll check that. And we'll see if we're going to do rings and bearings, dingleberry, the whole 9 yards. We don't know. That's because of you.
No, let's just do that, Sal.
I'll be back.
Sal, look at it.
Alright, well, we got one little problem. One of the head bolts are broken. As you can see, it's rusted. So it's probably been like that for a long time. Not something we did, I don't believe. That looks like it's rusted to me. I don't know if you could see it. That is definitely rusted, and I'll show you over here what it looks like. There's the hole. See that hole right here? It's broken the block. So we're gonna have to try to tap it and drill it, or we'll see what happens. Or we're just gonna go to the machine shop and bore it. I don't know, guys. We'll see what happens. That's what happens, 25-year-old. I knew it was too good to be true. This motor was coming apart so sweet. Had to be one. There's always one. It's like the 10mm socket. It's always missing. There's always one. So we got one head bolt broken. Alright, so we'll be back. Let's see. Alright guys, we're back on the scene here. Foxbody Garage. We got it down to the short block. Let's give a quick look. We got that broken bolt out as I showed you a little while ago. Nice, no damage done to threads, anything. Beautiful. At the bare minimum, we're gonna re-ring it and new bearings. At the bare minimum. I will notify the owner, see what he wants to do, but I think re-ring, new bearings, heads, cam, intake, we're ready to go. Avoids the trip to the machine shop. If we're gonna go to the machine shop, we're gonna make it 347 and call it a day. That's where I'm at with this. It came apart pretty easy, just that one broken bolt, which we took care of, and we got lucky. Oops, great camera work as usual. Foxbody Garage, you can't stop it, but it is what it is. So a quick update is minimum re-ring it bearings. If we got to take it to the machine shop, we're just going to do a 347 and we'll go from there. This bolt had to be broken inside the block for a long time, like I showed you before. It was rotted. It had to be from the factory. This motor was never taken apart. They put it in and it broke, and they said, it's a Friday special, who cares? So I got lucky, I drilled it out. I used the easy out with a little heat on the torch, and it worked. Thank God, because that saves us going to the machine shop. Now it's up to the owner. Are we going to re-ring it, bearings, and wash it and put it all back together? Or we're going to go for the whole party? Let's see. So thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Subscribe, like, share with your friends. Until the next time, guys, peace.